Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Farm animals, book number 5, and you can see this topic in page number 92. Let's start. How many farm animals are here? Look, wow, how many? There are many farm animals here. Let's see one by one. Look, there is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow. Donkey. Donkey carry our luggages. Donkey. Duck. Duck give us egg. Duck. Goat. Goat also provide us milk. Goat. Hen. Hen also give us egg. Hen. Horse. Horse also carry our luggages, and also we do horse riding. Horse. Sheep. Sheep give us wool. Sheep. So today we learn few farm animals name and what they do for us. So you have to revise all this. Okay? See you for now. Bye bye.